Payne Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. It is an English surname of French origin, from the Old French personal name pagan, from the Latin paganus, describing someone who lived in the countryside as opposed to a town dweller. Alternatively, it could be a locational surname denoting someone who came from the Paynes region of northern France. In the 12th century, a Hugh de Paynes was founder of the Knights Templar in Clermont. Early bearers included Edmund, son of Pagan, Somerset, England in 1086, Reginald, son of Payne in Lincolnshire in 1185, Joan Payne in Worcestershire in 1190, Stephen Paynes in London in 1230, Gilbert Payne in Essex in 1273, and Thomas Payne in Somerset in 1327. Knighthoods included Sir Robert Payne of Barton Stacey in Hampshire in 1632, Sir John Payne, steward of the Charterhouse in 1663, and Sir Thomas Payne, president of the Incorporated Law Society, knighted in 1882. Noble titles held include the Payne Baronetcy of St. Christopher's in the West Indies, a title in the Baronetage of Great Britain created in 1737 for Sir Charles Payne. Sir Ralph Payne, Member of Parliament and Governor of the Leeward Islands, was created Baron Lavington in the Peerage of Ireland in 1895 and owned the Carlisle estate in Antigua. Notables included Dolly Todd Madison, whose maiden name was Payne. She was the wife of James Madison, the fourth President of the United States, and she was noted for holding Washington social functions in which she invited members of both political parties. John Willett Payne, born 1752, was an officer in the Royal Navy who served as a close friend and advisor to Prince George and was also a member of Parliament. Thomas Paine was an English-born American founding father, political activist, philosopher, political theorist, and revolutionary. He authored Common Sense and the American Crisis, two of the most influential pamphlets at the start of the American Revolution. James Paine, born 1717, was an English architect. He's seen here with his son, who was also an architect. And Eleazar Arthur Payne, born 1815, was an American lawyer, author, and Union Army officer from Ohio. Early settlers included Susan Payne in Virginia in 1619, Thomas Paine in Massachusetts in 1621. Thomas Paine, Anna Payne, Daniel Payne, and John Payne came to Massachusetts in 1635, and Thomas Paine came to Maryland in 1644. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.